These authorities say they're investigating a viral pneumonia outbreak, and there's speculation that it could be linked to a SARS virus that killed hundreds of people in 2003.
A mysterious pneumonia has spread to China,
Chinese authorities first notified the World Health Organization on January 11th that they had discovered a novel coronavirus, SARS-CoV-2, and that it had already infected.
Coronavirus, or mostly known as COVID-19, is a global pandemic that is currently affecting the million lives of people all over the world. But try to question yourself. Are you doing something to avoid or lessen the spread of the disease?
In this video, you will gain additional knowledge on how to prevent the contamination of the disease, in line with mathematics.
Current evidence suggests that COVID-19 spreads between people through direct, indirect, or close contact with infected people via mouth and nose secretions. These are released from the mouth or nose when an infected person coughs, sneezes, speaks, or sings, for example.
Some ideas to prevent from getting infected are as follows. First is social distancing. Social distancing, or also called physical distancing, means keeping a safe space between you and the other people who are not from your household. It gives an emphasis on the distance or distancing lesson, which is related with the physics subject.
To practice social or physical distancing, stay at least 6 feet or about 2 arms length from the other people who are not from your household in both indoor and outdoor spaces. There's a percentage risk reduction confirmed by the DOH. First, if a person wears a mask plus a face shield, will result to a 93% risk reduction of COVID. Second, if a person wears a mask plus a 1 meter in social distance, will result to a 94% risk reduction of COVID. Third, if a person wears a mask plus 2 meters in social distance, will result to a 94% risk reduction of COVID. And at last, if a person wears a mask plus 2 meters in social distance and a face shield, will result to a 99% risk reduction of COVID.
Second is knowledge on different types of masks. The following information will fall under the topic probability, that is based on different experimentations and studies that has been conducted by professionals. First type of mask is called the surgical mask. The surgical mask filters 95% of virus and filters 80% of bacteria, dust, and pollen. Second type of mask is called the cloth mask or handmade mask. This filters 0% virus and only 5% of bacteria, dust, and pollen.
There is another mask which is called N95 mask, which provides 95% filtration on virus and filters 100% bacteria, dust, and pollen. Hence, N95 gives a higher degree of protection than other masks because they can filter out both large and small particles when the wearer breathes.
So, to avoid the coronavirus or the COVID-19, it is better if you follow or just simply gain knowledge and ideas on different things that you learn, like which mask is better if you want to avoid certain particles like viruses. It is much preferable to use surgical mask or N95 mask.
Or it is 99% less risk if you wear a face mask with a face shield and follow social distancing in order to avoid the COVID that is prone right now.
Those are only some ideas. In this world, nothing is permanent but change. That is why the ideas we have now can still change and vary depending on how we, humans, think and act.
And remember, this pandemic is not just a battle that a single person can face, but rather, this is a battle for all of us to conquer.
Stay at home.
Be safe.
And we will help each other until the very
until
end.
the very end.